Good morning, all of you. This is my second lecture on the MATLAB tutorial. So this is one of the most important and one of the, as you say, this is a heart of the MATLAB. So this is a command window. So the command window is the MATLAB main window and can be used for executing the command for various purposes, like for opening other windows, for running a program written by the users, and for managing the software. A command window is the very important part of the MATLAB. So to type a command, the cursor must be placed next to the command prompt. This double greater sign is called the command prompt. Okay. So if you want to type any command, then it must be placed forward of this command prompt sign. So as you see, this blinking cursor represent me that my cursor is forward of the this double greater than sign, which represent the command prompt. So example, if I want to execute a command, just simply write a equal to show it will tell me that this is a is the variable and 2 is my numerical value that will be stored in my a variable, and and it will show me that the value stored in a is 2. So if I want that that the value a equal to not show me in command window, so to make no output display on the command window, I have to just type a equal to 2, then semicolon forward of it. So by typing this command, it will not showing me the output. As you see in this previous case, it will be showing me output in the command window, so it will not showing me the output in this command window. Now the second thing is that if I want to type a command in a single line, for example, if I say that a equal to 2 and b equal to 3 and sum is equal to a plus b. Okay, so as you see that I have to type multiple times a equal to b equal to 3 and sum equal to a plus b. So if I want to type these three command in a single line, then I have to just use a comma to separate the things. For example, if I type a equal to 2 comma, then b is equal to 3 comma, then sum is equal to a plus b, then. So as you see, now these three command is typed in a single line, but now the problem is that it will be showing me the here output. So to suppress this output, I have to use the semicolon at the end of this. So a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, sum is equal to a plus b. Okay, so as you see that I'm only put the semicolon at the end of sum, so other two command is not output of these two command is not suppressed. So to suppress these two output of the command, I have to put semicolon forward of these two commands also. So I have to just type a equal to 2 comma, b is equal to 3, then semicolon comma, then sum is equal to a plus b semicolon. Now as you see that these three commands are typed in a single line, and you see that when I type these three commands by putting a semicolon forward of it, then it will be showing me no output. So output will be suppressed here and no output will be displayed in the command. Now these are the commands which are executed in the command window. So if I want a previously typed command that can be recalled to a command prompt with the help of upper arrow. So it will be giving me the previously typed command, which is you see that a equal to 2, b equal to 3 and sum equal to a plus b easily on the command prompt window. So these are executing from always from left to the right, which means that as you see here that this command is always execute when I type a long command, then it is always execute from left to right. So a equal to 2 is execute first, then after that b equal to 3, and after that sum is equal to a plus b is executing from left to the right. Now I want that to clear this all the screen, because it will be very clumsy to work this screen So I have to just write CLC to clear the window. As you see, when I type a clear CLC, then it will be erase my all the written executed command as I written previously. Now next thing the about command window is that if a command is too long to fit in a one line, then it can be continued to the next line by typing 3 periods which written dot dot dot, and then after that pressing the enter key. The continuation of the command is then typed in the new line. For example, if I say that A is equal to B, okay, comma, then B is equal to 5, comma. So if I want that this command will be executed on the next line, I have to just write 1 2 3. This 3 dot I have to write. These are called 3 periods and also called an ellipsis. So I have to just enter. As you see that when I enter, then there is no cursor, command prompt is not here, so it means that it will be executing this command in a series. So if I write C is equal to 5, and after that comma sum is equal to A plus B plus C, okay, then it give me a output of the sum. Sum is not here, you see that output is not here because I am used here semicolon, which make the output of the command is not displayed, whereas A equal to B, B equal to 5 and C equal to 5 are displayed because semicolon are not used here. So this is for the command window. So that's all for today, and if you like this video, please like it, subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you do not like it, please comment for how to improve this video and what video you want to see, and if you like it, then share it on Facebook, Twitter, or tell your friend. That's all for today.